Hello there, I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of Upkeep. In today's video, we'll be delving deep into the world of rotating equipment maintenance. You'll learn about the primary issues that lead to equipment failure and the steps you can take to help your machinery perform better and last longer. We'll touch on the importance of balance and alignment, preventive maintenance, and even guide you through the process of predictive maintenance, or PDM. Let's get started. Let's dive right into the heart of the matter. How can you make rotating equipment operate better and for longer? The answer lies in understanding what causes these types of equipment to fail. You might be surprised to know that the majority of failures are due to unbalance and misalignment. When equipment is unbalanced or misaligned, it leads to structural fatigue, wear on bearings and couplings, busted seals, and higher power usage. In other words, the equipment becomes less efficient and wears out much faster than it should. So what's the solution? Key to making this equipment work better is to ensure everything is aligned and balanced as it needs to be. But how do we achieve that? Well, it starts right at the beginning when you first install the equipment. It's crucial to get everything in place correctly from the get-go, since most rotating equipment failures are a result of startup issues. If you've already installed the equipment, don't worry. You'll just need to make some corrections. Your equipment may have already experienced some wear, but it's not too late to slow down the process. Here's what you need to check off your list. 1. Align shafts and couplings. 2. Balance fan blades, rotors, impellers, and other rotating parts. And 3. Make sure all parts are fully tightened. Once you've got that covered, it's all about effective maintenance. This includes lubrication, consistent inspections, corrosion treatments, and if possible, condition monitoring. Preventive maintenance tasks like lubrication and regular checkups ensure that all elements in your equipment remain properly aligned and balanced. Routine maintenance can handle this pretty well, but remember, the right balance of lubrication is key. Too much or too little can also reduce the life of the asset. If you're up for it, implementing a predictive maintenance or PDM program for your rotating equipment will allow you to monitor its health through vibration or ultrasound analysis. When these readings start creeping up, it's time to schedule an inspection. If predictive maintenance seems a bit daunting right now, regular preventive maintenance checkups are still a great option. But remember, you need to know your equipment well. You should be aware of things like the frequency of failures, the parts that have been replaced, the costs of repairs, the types of recurring issues, the user manual data on lubrication, corrosion resistance, and so on. With this information, you can plan to perform needed checks at specific intervals. While not as efficient as predictive maintenance, these routine checks can help you detect when the equipment is starting to drift and make changes to extend the asset's life. Remember, the goal is to keep your rotating equipment operating better for longer. By focusing on alignment, balance, and effective maintenance, you can significantly extend the life of your equipment. And that concludes our video. Thank you for watching. Today we've covered the importance of balance, alignment, preventive maintenance, and the process of predictive maintenance. If you found this information valuable, please subscribe to our channel for more insights. For more tools and resources to help your maintenance and reliability teams be more successful, visit our website at upkeep.com. Until next time, keep your equipment running smoothly.